Detach the leg bushes. Pick frame 2 and attach the bush with the given soft hammery. Tighten the leg bush. Follow the same for other frames. Pick board 6 and attach the keyboard slider. Slightly move the slider to align the holes and tighten it. Carefully flip the board and follow the same steps to attach the keyboard slider. Pick board 1 and attach the metal frame 2. Attach the connecting frame to frame 2. Now pick metal frame 3 and place it on board 1. Make sure the holes in the board and the holes in the frame are parallels. Tighten it with the given CSK bolt using Allen key. Attach the metal frame 4. Make sure the holes in the board and the holes in the frame are parallels. Tighten it with the given CSK bolt using Allen key. Attach the connecting frame to frame 4. Now attach metal frame 5 to board 1 and connecting frames. Attach the clamps to board 1. Slide the keyboard tray into the clamps. Align the holes based on your preferred height and tighten them. Insert the CSK bolt to frame 4 and attach one end of the back support flat and tighten it with the doom nut. Now insert the CSK bolt to frame 3 and attach the other end of the back support flat. Follow the same for the other back support flat. Now tighten the back support flat with the given CSK bolt and nut. Flip the unit. Attach board 7 to frame 2 and 3. Attach board 7 to frame 4 and 5. Attach another board 7 to frame 4 and 5. Turn the unit upright. Attach the small metal frame to board 8. Turn it upright and place it on the respective holes in board 1. Tighten it with the given CSK bolt using Allen key from the bottom of board 1. Your product is ready to use.